Ducky.
Ducky? What are you eating?
Apples.
Apples. Good.
Daddy.
Is Daddy over there?
Okay.
Where'd you find your hat?
Hey, hat.
Yeah. I like it. Hey, stay here. Can you stay here and finish your apple over here? We don't want you dragging it over to the carpet, do we? Come here. There you go. Sit right there. Sit down on your little butt. Good girl. Thanks, Kenzie.
Apple. See apples?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. The key. A key.
Yeah.
A key.
Say hi, kitty.
Hi, key. Wow.
Hey.
Whoa.
What pajamas are you wearing?
Elmo.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Elmo pajamas.
She's right here, right. Mom.
You're going to sit right there? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What's Skylar doing? She's sitting right there?
Rocket.
Mm-hmm. You are tearing that up. Where are you going? Are you done? Sit here until you're done with it, okay?
No. No, apple.
You're all done? Should we wash your hands?
Apple.
Yeah.